Om Sairam to all you beautiful Baba lovers out there. How you all are doing? Hope you all are good. So today I'm already in two minds. Actually, I was thinking, should I share some story of Baba, or should I just go directly with the reading? Because reason being, someone told me that this year health wise was not is not good for me, and I need to take extra care for my health. And they said, you should do this ritual, you should do that ritual. But at the same time, I was sitting in front of Baba, and I always tell Baba that, Baba, you take care of me, and you just see to it that I am healthy, fit and fine for my bachas, and I just live like this lifelong, healthily and happily. And the person is from the other side going on telling me that, no, no, you should do this, you should do that. And I'm like, Baba, what should I do? I have faith in you. I know you're not going to allow things to go wrong, to the extent that they asked me to remove my the ruby ring which I wear. But I have always, when even I wore it out of a love for that crystal. And now when they're asking me to remove, my mind says don't remove, my heart says not to remove, and my mind says okay, go with the flow. So I was just sitting near Baba, and I was like, Baba, I really don't know. I don't know what I should do, and I don't know how I should go about it. But again, as usual, I'm going to surrender it to you, and I'm just going to leave it to you, because if you ask me, the answer will be that Baba is there, then why I should worry, and why I should do all these puja part and all that. Maybe I can do a candle ritual for me, keeping me healthy regularly. This was what was running in my mind, and then I just go and stand near Baba, and I'm telling him all this, and suddenly, from nowhere, I just there's a call which is coming, so I pick the call, and then it gets cut. Then I just go to Insta, and then I see a beautiful, beautiful Baba's image over there saying, why fear when I am there? And I am like, all right, you have answered me. There's nothing more I can ask you for. So let's see what he says in the cards as usual. Let me first pick the first card, then I'll go to the in-between cards. Baba will remove the hurdles and make your path smoother. Now, that's the reason I always say he is my lifesaver and he is my lifeline, because as I was even telling you people the thing, I was wondering, am I in the right path or not, and Baba has answered there. So I think Baba is telling you all also. Maybe some of you all, maybe not health wise, are wondering what to do for finances, are wondering how to move forward in life with your business and career. Baba is saying he's going to be there, he's going to remove all your hurdles. But still, let's pick up one more card. Learn to coexist with everyone around you. So maybe this is another lesson for me, that whatever people say, listen to them, live with them, shake your head with them, just do what your inner heart says. So even you, maybe there are situations around you which is not allowing you to accept the fact, but just coexist and live with the life, because ultimately things don't go always the way we plan, things always go the way he has planned. So maybe that's the reason. See the third card, reason. The mind is restless, let your intellect control your mind. So I would say here, allow Baba to control your mind, allow Baba to handle things for you. And overall, why should also be worry when he is there? It is his responsibility. He has given us this life, he has kept us in his sharan. All he wants is Shraddha and Saburi. We will have that Saburi, and I'm sure he is going to help us in manifest our things, help us in overcome the things which are troubling us, and keep us beautifully, beautifully successful in life. As usual, feed a stray dog. Many of you all have started feeding, I know, and have started seeing good changes. Feed a stray dog on Thursdays and see how Baba blesses you bountifully. Have a Baba blessed day ahead. Thank you. Om Sai Ram.